What a beautiful morning.
The park looks wonderful.
I love walking here. Me too.
Wait, I hear something.
What is it?
A little bird.
It looks scared. Can we help it?
Yes, we must be very careful. Let's stay calm. The bird needs kindness.
Let's look for its nest.
I will help.
Look carefully.
I'm looking. I can't see it.
Let's keep trying.
Don't worry.
Don't worry, we will help you.
Maybe it is up there.
Keep looking.
Here is some water.
It looks better now.
Wait, I see something.
Really?
I found the nest.
The bird has a home.
We can help now. Yes, together.
Could you help us?
The little bird needs help.
Thank you for helping us.
We are ready.
Don't worry, little bird.
You are doing great.
Be careful.
I will.
We are with you.
You can do it. The nest is safe.
Take your time.
You are home.
We did it! It looks happy.
Yes, it is safe. The mother came back.
That is wonderful. Welcome back.
Thank you. Let's give them space.
Okay.